Most creators either dump an hour-long video online and hope for the best, or they spend endless hours manually chopping it into tiny clips. Honestly, that manual process is completely exhausting. And let's be real, totally unnecessary these days. After this, you will know exactly how to transform one long video into a stack of ready-to-post clips, with AI doing the heavy lifting for you. You get the content automatically, which means no more scrambling every single week to keep your posting schedule full. Sound good? Let's jump right into the first two methods creators are using to get those viral pieces. I'm Alex from the Vizard team, and today I'm walking you through two fast ways to turn your long videos into short, engaging clips. The first option is a lightweight tool that's great for fast experiments, but it certainly comes with some limitations. This neat web app, let's call it RA, lets you sign up super fast and supports a bunch of different languages and video formats. You upload a short source file, and it will instantly auto-generate a trimmed clip or a 1-minute sample just for you to test the output. If you just need one short repurposed video to test an idea right now, the free version of RA absolutely gets the job done. However, the big catch is that RA's free tier usually restricts you to very short clips and a maximum file size. It simply isn't built for bulk scheduling or processing your multi-hour long-form content like a live stream. You get a nice little taste of repurposing, but you will hit a wall very quickly if you try to go bigger. Now, another tool some creators mention is WorksCube, which lets you work with slightly longer videos for free, up to around 30 minutes for your very first video. It's a solid option if you just need to test how the AI handles a longer source video for the first time. You simply paste your YouTube link into WorksCube, choose your desired output language or style, and it will spit out a translated or edited result. That one-off conversion capability is undeniably awesome for quick, specific tasks. However, WorksCube has noticeably fewer options for regional or niche languages, and its scheduling workflows are quite limited. It's certainly useful for testing, but it definitely wasn't built to run a full-scale content machine for you on autopilot. So what's the real strategy if you are serious about turning every long video into dozens of clips while saving massive amounts of time? That is precisely the problem Vizard was built from the ground up to solve for dedicated creators like you. Vizard specializes in automatically picking the very best, most viral-ready moments from your long-form content in a single batch. You get auto-editing to find those attention-grabbing highlights, plus auto-schedule, so you can genuinely set it and then forget the entire process. Crucially, you get a central content calendar to manage every single piece of repurposed content in one unified view. Let's see exactly how this powerful system works in a real-world practice scenario right now. Imagine I have a 20-minute tutorial on how to create a perfect Instagram highlight cover for my account. Instead of scrubbing through hours of footage trying to find the best parts, I simply upload that entire 20-minute file into Vizard. The AI instantly analyzes the entire clip, intelligently finding moments that have high potential to grab attention, like a punchy one-liner or a quick tip. It then generates multiple short clips, complete with suggested start and end times, ready-made captions, and even thumbnail ideas. Vizard even uses learned engagement patterns to suggest which of those new clips has the highest chance of actually going viral. Once the clips are ready, you are definitely not stuck with a black box. You have full creative oversight. You can open any generated clip, easily tweak the crop, refine the auto-generated title, or select a completely different thumbnail. The editor feels lightweight because the hard work is already done, but you can still fine-tune the timing with simple drag-and-drop handles. If there's a sentence you want to rephrase or a moment you want to emphasize more strongly, click Edit, Save, and the clip updates immediately. But here is where the real massive time savings start to kick in. The revolutionary auto-schedule feature. Forget manually logging into TikTok, Reels, and Shorts to upload each clip one by one. You simply tell Vizard your desired posting frequency, like daily or 3 times a week, and it queues everything up for you. You can even assign specific clips to specific platforms and set their ideal posting times directly within the system. The AI intelligently staggers those uploads across the week, so you never accidentally flood your audience with too much content at once. And the content calendar view, my friends, is an absolute godsend for managing your entire output strategy. Need to quickly rearrange the posts scheduled for next Tuesday? Just drag and drop that entry to a different day. If you need to pause a specific campaign for a holiday or event, you simply hit the Master Pause button. Furthermore, you can select 50 captions at once and bulk revise them all in a single editing session. That specific workflow alone has saved countless creators hours upon hours of tedious administrative work every single week. Now, to be fair, those other tools like RA and WorksCube are useful for certain highly specific one-off scenarios. RA is great when you just need a quick sample of a translated clip for free, no strings attached. WorksCube shines when you are testing AI's ability to handle one longer source video for a zero-cost conversion test. But here is generally where those lighter tools fall short, when a creator truly needs to scale their output significantly. The first major hurdle is often their pricing structure and the restrictive nature of their free tiers. Paid plans can escalate quickly in cost the moment you start trying to process multiple videos every week. The second gap is the severe lack of true end-to-end automation, forcing you to still upload and post manually. Finally, you often end up with a very fragmented workflow that requires juggling multiple different apps just to clip, caption, and schedule. Vizard eliminates those exact pain points by focusing entirely on the efficient repurposing of long-form creator content. Its AI finds the absolute best content sweet spots for you. You give it a quick polish, and then you let the system handle the entire rollout. Let's run through a simple example. I uploaded that 18-minute tutorial on creating those highlight covers. Within mere minutes, Vizard scanned the entire thing and successfully created 12 distinct short clips for me. Each one was helpfully labeled with its best platform fit, like TikTok or YouTube Shorts, and an engagement rating. I then reviewed the top 5 clips, made slight adjustments to 2 captions, and scheduled them to post 3 times weekly. That entire transformation from raw video to fully scheduled posts took me less than 20 minutes of active time. Compare that to the old way, the multi-hour grind of scrubbing, cutting, exporting, uploading, captioning, and finally posting. If quality control is a major concern for you, please know that Vizard's output suggestions are just starting points. You always maintain final approval, meaning you can reject clips, combine clips, or add custom intros or outros if you wish. You can even tell the AI to rerun the whole process with different preferred clip lengths based on your target platform. Want super snackable 15-second cuts for TikTok experiments? Just set that preference immediately. Want slightly longer, nearly minute-long clips better suited for a YouTube Shorts experiment? Set that preference instead. The built-in flexibility ensures that the tool serves your unique content strategy, not the other way around. One final feature that I personally find incredibly useful is the deep analytics integration right in the same dashboard. After clips go live, you can track exactly which ones drove watch time, clicks, or new follower growth directly within Vizard. This critical feedback loop helps the AI actually get smarter about picking your best content in the future. It also helps you, the creator, better understand which content formats your specific audience responds to the most. Regarding pricing, Vizard always offers a free trial so you can test the auto-edit and scheduling systems risk-free. Those trials usually have caps on the number of videos or total clip exports, but you'll get a real feel for the entire workflow. If you start processing multiple long videos every single week, the paid plans are specifically designed for that high volume. When you compare the monthly cost to hiring an actual editor or stitching together 5 different tools, Vizard usually wins on both speed and price. All right, here are my final 3 quick tips before you go off and start creating incredible content. First, always preview the AI's absolute top picks because a little human polish will always make those clips truly pop. Second, establish a consistent posting rhythm and let the AI populate that schedule because consistency beats random posting every time. Third, use that content calendar to plan out evergreen content now, allowing a single tutorial to fuel short-form posts for months. Finally, combine the raw power of Vizard with your own small signature human edits for the maximum possible impact. If you want an immediate win, jump in, upload one long tutorial, let it generate clips, and schedule just 3 posts for next week. You will genuinely be surprised by the sheer volume of content a single video can actually create for you. I have separate walkthroughs if you are curious about the other AI tricks like voice cloning or text-to-animation. But for straight-up no-nonsense repurposing and automated scheduling of your long videos, Vizard is the clear tool to try first. It solves the biggest creator headaches, finding the best moments, prepping them for every platform, and posting them automatically. That's everything from me today. I truly hope this breakdown helped you rethink your content workflow. Go try it out, play around with those auto-edit settings, and let me know which of your new clips actually goes viral next. I will catch you all in the next video, but until then, keep creating fantastic content and take care of yourselves.